What you have to do, you have to open the sheet. At first you have to open the seat, and then you will get to see that secret box. This is the secret box where you can put your valuables, your documents, and even if necessary some money. No one will be aware of this box. I haven't yet customized my new bike anyway, but one thing I'd like to show you, that I have installed a heel guard right here. You can look at it. This is covering master cylinder or a part of a brake mechanism. This is to protect your heel from excessive heating, and this will definitely save your brake components in case your bike falls accidentally. And one thing I would like to share with you, this is not the original accessory of Royal Enfield Himalayan. This is accessory of Continental GT. I can even show you the original box. Look at it. This is a genuine Royal Enfield part. I have bought it from an authorized dealer, and you can see the part number of that component which I have installed to protect my heel from excessive heating. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot and purchase it from any Royal Enfield accessory dealer. I would also like to show you the crash guard which I have bought from Wellington Market in Kolkata. I have searched a lot, inquired of different Royal Enfield dealers of West Bengal, but no one could provide me the leg guard or crash guard. So I am forced to find it from open market in Kolkata. This is a quality crash guard. It will certainly protect your engine from any sudden accident.